welcome to Outside the Box.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Outside the Box video. Today we are opening the Akedo 4-pack Ultimate Arcade Warriors, and in this pack we got a mystery figure.
Mystery.
We don't even know who it is, right?
Yeah,
like
it
this,
could be anyone.
So this is like Treasure X Monster Gold, or
like that one pack when we got the little baseball guy.
It could be this dude. I mean, it actually could be that dude.
yeah, it could be that dude. It could be like any of these dudes on the back.
Yeah, but there's still more. Those are only.
These are only a few of them. So this
because there's 39. And you could even find the limited edition Mythical Storm Strike in there.
Is that Storm Strike?
I mean, it's probably it's highly unlikely, but
I want to
you
get
can find it.
Big Stinky.
Big Stinky.
He's not on there.
Is Big Stinky on? Is Big Stinky Series 1 or 2?
He's Series 1.
He's Series 1.
Well, once we get the map out, we can show you.
Okay, so this is Series 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The one that we opened with Fantono, that's Series 2.
That was Series 2. Okay.
Ew, let's
I gotta
to
get my
cutting.
series straight because there's a lot of series.
Let's
There's
get to
like 8, I
cutting.
think.
Only 2, and I'm still getting confused.
Let's get
I am so confused.
to cutting.
All right, let's get to open this thing. All right, let's do it.
It's Crack Up, the clown.
Crack Up the Clown.
Okay, guys, if you want to see Big Stinky,
Big
Great.
Stinky.
You want to see Baby Stinky.
Big
Big
Stinky.
Big Stinky. Baby.
Aw, little guy's kinda cute.
Goo goo gaga.
Not Baby Stinky.
All right, so
We also have
Bad
Bad Food.
So we got a
Bad
total of
Food.
4 figures.
all right,
We
so
got Crack Up, which is really cool.
Crack Up is an epic, right?
Yeah, he's an epic.
Okay, so we didn't get an ultra rare or a legendary or an exclusive ultra rare or the limited edition mythical Storm Strike, but we did get an epic,
Pretty good.
which is better than a classic. So, and
But we
it's
did
one
get-
we don't have, right?
We don't have this guy.
That's cool.
Because we've only opened these.
Here, I can only open this dude.
Yo, he's carrying the rubber. He's carrying the rubber chicken.
He's carrying a rubber chicken.
It's not rubber, but it's plastic.
You got that, bud?
Wait, our box will preserve that.
They really got them stuck in there.
Jeez.
It says 6 and up.
This is 6 and up.
Tail whip.
Tail whip is my
Hey, you open
favorite.
it.
He broke open. Oh my god.
Jurassic Scorch.
Here, I'll
Nice.
get the rest out.
You get the rest out? All right, you get the rest out. Put him on that, buddy. Let's see what he does.
Open them in. I don't know how you're supposed to like.
All right, okay, who's the night guy?
I don't know. We'll have to figure out. Here, I'll look.
Figure out who the night guy is. I'll see if I can get the ultra rare warriors.
So, this is Crack Up. Tail Whip. This dude is Pride Heart.
With my knight, Pride Heart.
And that dude is Sun Shadow. I like this
And
dude.
Cloud.
So let's test the Tail Whip for a second.
Ha ha ha. I
Actually,
like
wait, no, do your
Cloud.
battle. Do your battle real quick.
Oh.
Oh, that is cool. Tail whip action. What's he got in his hand, bud? Can you tell what that is?
He has a
What is that, like an octopus arm?
No, I think it's a tail. His tail.
Oh, well, tail whip.
It's a
That makes sense.
He whips with his tail.
from a fish arm, like a shark.
Nice. And then who else do we have here? We've got
Pride Heart and Sun Shadow, and then I'm playing with Crack Up.
Crack Up. Oh, man. All right. I think it's time for 2 of these guys to battle.
Bath time brawl.
Alright, ready?
So who do we have?
It's Tail Whip versus Crack Up.
Oh!
That was pretty expected because Crack Up is an epic and Tail Whip's a classic.
Oh, Tail Whip
Tail
got
whip
me.
with the win. Tail whip with the win.
Got one big ball.
Oh wait, oh dang it. Wait, what the heck?
Ah,
Look
that's
at
awesome.
he came back like this and hit him open.
The rubber chicken defeated
The clown, the master.
defeated Crack Up. Right heart versus tail whip. Let me see it.
Pride Heart versus Tail Whip. Go, go. Whoa, what the heck? Tail Whip? Tail Whip's insane, bro. Okay. Now, the only dude that Tail Whip should get defeated by for sure would be the ultra rare.
No.
But this dude looks like that cold spike dude.
Looks like Cold Spike. So
He's
you
not
might-
going Oh my gosh, bro, I'm like dead. Dude, I'm dead. Yo, what the heck? No. Oh, ooh, with the moves. Oh. Hey, who do you want to be on?
No, I'll battle Wes.
Who do you want to be?
Give me the clown. I think the clown's got it. You ready?
Go!
Wait. Fix me. That was the fastest battle ever.
Go!
So far, this Tail Whip is the best in this one we got.
He's been the only one that's win. Clown and him.
Oh, you got me.
Clown and
There's
him.
so many. There's so like.
You want to change that?
I don't think Here, let's switch this way.
Watch him kill you. He's gonna do a split strike to your face. Oh, wow, that tail must be firm.
Oh, you got in there.
I think it's who the person is, like how good he is at like laughing.
Wes is
Yo,
very strategic.
I know
in
that
this
the
battle.
people with the swords, their swords are so.
So this is Tail Whip. Oh, you see. Attack!
Hey.
Oh, did I get you?
Incoming!
Yeah.
What? Hey, what's your order for today at McDonald's? You want fries?
Bro,
Right.
bro, it's Ronald McDonald.
Ronald, the Happy Meal isn't happy yet.
Gucci Gucci Goo.
They're fries!
No, it's Ronald McDonald versus mutant lizard creature.
Oh yeah!
Ronald McDonald wins.
Take your fries.
Okay, so today we got Tail Whip, Sun Shadow, Pride Heart, and our mystery figure was Crack Up, which is really cool. I like Crack Up. He's pretty cool with the clown. His hair's all weird.
The rubber chicken.
Yeah, the rubber chicken.
So out of the four, who was the best battler?
It was Tail Whip.
Yes,
He
Is it
beat
Tail Whip?
everyone. Crack Up was second. He beat this dude a few times.
Yeah, and I
This
think there's
dude
some
was probably the
strategy
worst.
to it, but I feel like you guys said, I think Tail Whip and Crack Up were the two better warriors. Maybe it's me, but the guys with the swords
Don't look. They don't.
seem to
They don't.
not be as great.
I think it's
but
because the sword is super thin. Like then you can feel the difference between like this one feels so much more solid,
No, but
and then
that's
this
thin.
feels so flimsy.
yeah, but
They're thin.
and I know I say that, but I'm sure there's some techniques to being able to battle with these guys.
Like what if you do like a
Make
little
them
like a
efficient.
move and then you're like.
And the chicken has like pokey things, so when it hits their head, it gets more pushed back.
Yeah, and Tail Whip, this is
Tail.
pretty solid. Like this
Yeah. I mean, like,
this thing. These swords are just, they're almost like you can kind of get like a glancing blow and it kind of just goes off their head, but, or they break themselves open. But.
Thank you guys so much for watching our video unboxing these 4 Akedo warriors with the mystery Crack Up. If you guys would like to see any more of our videos, please make sure you check out some of those. We have great content. And if we don't have any videos that you like, you can comment and we can see if we can do that idea. So, Wes, do you have anything to say?
like and subscribe, and you can see more videos. Check out our videos, and we'll do more videos if you guys like.
We'll catch you on the next one.
That's cute, Wes.
Wes,
Like, subscribe, check our videos. We'll do more videos if you check our videos.
because you subscribed.